Hey you guys, what's up? So it is that time of the month again. IPSY is here. So let's open it up and see what's inside. A little disclaimer, IPSY did send me this to try. Okay, so if you guys didn't hear the news, BoxyCharm and IPSY have joined forces to bring you the best in beauty. So just like BoxyCharm, IPSY is a subscription service that delivers a personalized set of beauty products straight to your front door. And this makes it easy to discover new brands or products that you might not have known about before. And with IPSY, you're always going to have a say of what goes in your bag or box by taking their beauty quiz. The beauty quiz is just a very quick questionnaire asking you your preferences, your skin type, skin tone, hair color, eye color, everything about you. So that way they can really cater your box or bag to your personal needs. With IPSY, you have 3 choices to choose from at the moment. You have the Glam bag, which is what we're going to be unboxing today, and that is only $13 a month. And with this option, you get 5 personalized deluxe size beauty samples inside a really cute makeup bag, and all of that retails for up to $70. With the Glam bag, you also get to choose 1 product each month. The second option, which is the BoxyCharm box, is $28 a month, and you get 5 full-size products that are worth up to $200. And with that option, you get to pick 3 or all 5 products each month. Then last option is the Icon box, and this is a quarterly box. This box is $58 quarterly, and you get 8 full-size products that retail up to $350. So yeah, there is a option for everyone, but without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into our Glam bag unboxing for the month of April. All right, so our Glam bag this month looks a little something like this. Super cute makeup bag. And inside we have the Professional Good Cleanup Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser by Benefit Cosmetics. I actually own the full size of this, you guys, and I absolutely love it. I use it almost every day. I kind of alternate it in between another product, but I love this stuff. It is so good, and I actually am seeing a difference in my pores after using this for a while. But yeah, this is a cute little tiny size of it. This will be perfect for travel. Next in our Glam bag, we have the Hey Honey Come Clean Propolis and Minerals Facial Scrub. This cleanses and exfoliates with the power of propolis and fruit extracts. And you guys, when I used this, my skin felt so baby soft afterwards, and it smells so good. And it has dissolving salt crystalline minerals that are going to clear away rough patches and blackheads from the skin surface. Next in our Glam bag, we have the Shayna B Miami little eyeshadow duo. I do have this on my eyes today, and it is just so beautiful. Before I dipped in, you can kind of see this one still, but this one is gone. But before I dipped in, it had little flamingos on it, which is so super cute. And here is what those two look like finger swatched. And as you can see, they are just so pigmented. Next in our Glam bag, we have the Shades by Shan Gel Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Brown Sugar. I do have this on my waterline area, and it is such a pretty brown. It almost looks black on camera, but it is a deep dark brown, and it is so buttery and smooth and just so pigmented. And then last but not least in our IPSY Glam bag, we have the Real Her I Am Beautiful mascara. I love the wand on this. It has so many tiny teeth, so it's going to really grab onto your lashes and really lengthen and volumize them. And I do have this on today as well. And yeah, you guys, that is it for all the products in this month's IPSY Glam bag. I am so excited to see what BoxyCharm and IPSY have in store for us now that they have joined forces. I just want to say a big thank you to IPSY for sending me this to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.